We got our biscuits. Good old Southern style biscuits. Good morning and welcome to Dad Simply Cooking. This morning, it's a holiday weekend. We have a lot of things to do this weekend, and we're going to be on the track very fast, first thing each morning. So I'm going to go ahead and make some biscuits and different variations of biscuits to go ahead and grab and go. So let's get into it. Let's make some biscuits. So here in my bowl, I have 4.5 cups of self-rising flour. So then the original recipe calls for 3/4 of milk or buttermilk, and then a stick of butter. I'm going to do 2 sticks of butter. I'm just going to clump my butter in there. I went ahead and preheated my oven to 425 degrees. We got our butter in there. Now let's add our buttermilk. Wow. And just use your fork to whisk that in. It's always good to slowly add it in. That way you can see what needs to be added. Once we start getting to a consistency like that, it's time to make a mess. Get some flour on your hands as well. We're going to take our dough. Bloop. Get all a little bit out. And then we're just going to start kneading it together. And this way, you're going to actually start building layers as well. There. You can see the butter throughout. Oh. Ha 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 ha. And whenever you get to a spot where you think, ooh, that looks pretty good, you can get a rolling pin. Get some flour, cover your rolling pin in flour. All right. And now it's time to cut said biscuits out. So we have several different sizes in biscuit cutters. We got big ones, we got little ones. I have like really small ones, but I just rather do this size. I'm gonna work my way around. And I know I've seen countless videos where they go ahead and pull them out after they cut them. I have a trick that I do, and I learned this from being a dad. If you can't tell. All right. It's like Play-Doh. You start lifting your Play-Doh pieces around it. And then I don't have to worry about messing my biscuits up. Do a few sausage biscuits, a few smoked sausage biscuits, a few bacon and egg biscuits. So I have some hickory bacon. Then take about 4 slices of it. I got my bacon and my smoked sausage on a pan. I'm gonna put it in the top part of my oven. A little salt on the egg. A little pepper. All right, y'all. Our biscuits are done. We got a good amount of biscuits. Oh, look at that. They are beautiful. Now, my favorite part is taking this big thick bowl right here. Look at that. Look at the layers. Oh, look at that. All right, let's start making some breakfast sandwiches. We got our biscuits. Good old Southern style biscuits. So we're just gonna pull apart, just like that. You said smoked sausage? No, I don't. You want smoke or brown sausage? All right. You want egg? Yeah. Okay. You want cheese? Yeah. You want cheese? Yeah. Not on my egg. You want it on your sausage? No. Or you want it in your egg? This one right here. What about right there? And then I'll fold it like that. I hope y'all love this recipe. These are some of the best biscuits I have made to date. They're looking so good. So butter. Look at the butter on the bottom of that. Oh, that's butter. That's butter. So I got a few more sausage biscuits ready, lined up for. Oh, ha 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 ha. We're gonna go pray. We're gonna go eat, and we're gonna enjoy our family on the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day to y'all, and I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day. Because we're gonna stay here because danger's out there.